Just another reason to always have equipment available. These swarm traps have not moved in 2 years. I was in the bee yard, so it's not one of my swarms from my house that has moved in. Because I saw there was bees working this trap this morning. Went down to the bee yard. There's nobody hanging in the trees. This is like 7:30 in the morning. I had just 2 minutes ago opened this trap to look in it to see if anybody had moved in. There was not a bee in it. There's some ants in it, so they're going to be evicting the ants. Walk down to the bee yard, walk back up here, look around the bee yard. There's nobody hanging in the trees. There's nobody in the air. And now look at this. Always, always, always have available equipment in your bee yard. Not going to step any closer because you know me, I'm out here in shorts, t-shirt. No. This seems to be a pretty good sized swarm. Of course, it may be a swarm I've lost years past coming back to roost. That's what the foul-mouthed beekeeper says. He catches swarms he's lost over the years. It comes back to him. I mean, look at them. They're all in the air, still all over the front of the trap. All in the grass. That's why I'm not about to move. Or I should say move any closer, because I don't feel like getting stung on the foot today. And look at the sky. Cloudy, getting ready to pour down rain here in about, according to the weatherman, about an hour. So this right here dispels the myth that it has to be a nice sunny day for bees to swarm. Another bee club myth that I've heard. They only swarm on sunny days. When they're ready to swarm, they're ready to swarm. I just wished I'd been up here instead of in the bee yard to see which way they came from. But I've got a good idea. I've got 2 people within 3/4 of a mile of me that have my bees. And neither one of them, I've talked to both of them in the last week, and neither one of them have been particularly taking care of their bees. So I'm probably betting that this is one of their swarms, because there's one of them has 1 colony and the other one has 2. Let's see if I can move in a little closer without getting a bee in the foot. I mean, that's a pretty darn good sized swarm. I know what I will be doing tomorrow when it gets sunny. I will be setting up a hive here because our flow's about over, so I'll set up a hive and give them some juice to draw some comb. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees. Hit that like, share, and subscribe.